it's Ombre here, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing something different. I haven't uploaded in a while. This video should probably make up for it. So what it is, it's a budget gaming PC build. It's $222. Note that this is in Canadian dollars, and it's 290 bucks. So if we put that in, equals up to 224, but I don't know, 290 or I'm just going to be trying to, it'll equal up to this amount if you're in the US, which most of the people who watch my videos are. I checked. So that's what we'll be using. And so for the motherboard, we'll be using an Asus Mini ITX DDR3 1600 motherboard. It houses, I believe, two slots for RAM, graphics card slot. Yeah. So for the processor, we'll be using AMD Athlon X2 240 Reader 2.8 socket. I'm not going to read that out. You can read it yourself. It's a 2.8 gigahertz dual core processor. I know that it's not quad core, but it's pretty close, and it could do really good. For the hard drive, we'll be using a Seagate Barracuda 160 gig hard drive. This is 2 gigs a second. I thought, okay, I'll just go for it, I guess. And this is, I know that all these products are brand new, and that to make sure that, okay, this is gonna work, and not to make any skeptical people about me using used item, or else this might be like half the price cheaper. It'll be half cheaper and stuff. So yeah. And for the case, we'll be using an Apex PC375 Black ATX mid-tower computer case with a 300 watts power supply. This does come with the power supply, so we're saving a bit of money right there. The case is not the best, but it stores pretty. It has enough space to house all our stuff. And for a fan, we're using a computer PC. I guess it's from Studio R. It's from there was an LED one for $2 more. We're gonna be using two of these, so it's gonna be around $10. So we're gonna so the LED ones will cost us $20. I guess that there's no glass, or we can't see through the case. It's just gonna make no effect at all. So it's better if we just go for these ones. For the graphics card, we're gonna be using a Gigabyte 2 GT610. This is pretty cheap for the price. There is, I don't know. Okay, so we'll just go for this. 2 gigabytes should be enough to have most games in it. And for RAM, we'll be using 8 gigabytes. This is 2 sticks of 4 gigabytes. We'll be using 2 of these for 8 gigabytes should be enough for gaming. Like, let's say we had 16 gigs, it wouldn't really make any difference. And yeah, that's all we're gonna need for this build. Thanks for watching, OmbraDev. I'll see you on the next one.